I'm Chris Zubrycki with Remax Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker and I've been fighting for my clients since 2001. Today I'm going to show you how I prepped a probate listing that needed an estate sale organized, new carpeting installed, personal property removal, and a thorough sales clean prior to listing on the market. Let's go. And as I mentioned, we needed some carpet replacement. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square foot condo in Sun City. And this video has been sped up a little bit. Good amount of personal property. Closets. The estate also talked about the need for holding an estate sale. So this is the guest bedroom. Good amount of furniture and good amount of personal property. Then we go into the master bedroom. And then for the estate sale, we needed, there's going to be a lot of people coming through the house, looking at it over the course of 2 to 3 days. So the bathrooms need to be in a presentable fashion. So we sent out some videos to get some quotes on what it would take to clean the bathrooms so that people could use them during the estate sale. One-car garage, and then all of the cabinets and drawers were filled with items. Washer and dryer, hot water heater, and then you can see the cabinets, storage cabinets are all full. And then this is the after we had the bathrooms cleaned for the estate sale. So the order we did it was cleaning the bathrooms for the estate sale, prepping the house for the estate sale, and as you can see, this has been prepped for the estate sale. Everything's been priced and laid out and displayed for easy purchase. Everything's for sale. Everything. Towels. And this is just another way for the estate to make some extra money as well. And you can see this video is a bit sped up as well. And then the garage. Everything opened up, everything's for sale. So after the estate sale is done, the remaining items in the home need to be removed. So we had some stuff up top in the garage right there. And then I gathered up all the items and stuck them on the back patio, just so we could get a better quote. That area carpet is going to go as well. And then everything else was bagged up and put outside for easy pickup. Personal property removal company showing up. And packing up. Everything is loaded, ready to go. That took about an hour. And needed to get a little bit of landscaping work done in the back. And now the property is completely ready. We've put in new carpeting, new pad, and had a thorough sales clean done on the property to make it presentable. Professional photographer comes over, drone pilot, ready to market. So you can see the difference from beginning to end in this property. Guest bedroom here, nothing inside. Closet's empty. Then we step into the master bedroom. Same thing, new carpet and pad. All personal properties either been removed or sold. This is the enclosed Arizona room. And you can see there's no debris in the back, and there's no landscaping debris either. We're going to step inside the one-car garage. Everything is gone. All the cabinets are empty. All the drawers. We are ready to go. If you want more real-world tips for inherited and probate properties in Arizona, please subscribe. And if you need help navigating an inherited home sale, my contact info is in the description. I'm Chris Zubrycki with RE/MAX Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker, and I've been fighting for my clients since 2001. Here are links to previous probate and inherited properties that I've prepped for market and sold for past clients.